Today we're learning the even berry stitch, which is dense and flat on one side, but super textured on the other, perfect for trivets, scrubbies, or pillow covers. To begin, we'll make an even number of chains, which will give us an odd number of stitches after the first row because you'll skip the first chain and work one single crochet into the next chain. And continue working single crochets into each chain of the foundation chain. Chain 1 and turn to begin our berry row. The row with the berries also starts with a single crochet into that first stitch. Now let's work our first berry. Yarn over hook and insert into the next stitch to pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through just the first loop on your hook. Yarn over and insert into that same stitch again to pull up a loop. With 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 5, and chain 1 to close your berry. Into the next stitch, work one single crochet. I'll show you that again. Continue working a berry stitch followed by a single crochet to the end of the row. Now, I've worked ahead a little here to show you how your project will look as you add more rows. The row after your berry stitches sets up another single crochet row. Chain 1 and turn. Make one single crochet into that first stitch. Now examine your stitches along the top here. See those V shapes? We'll skip the first one, which is the chain stitch, and work one single crochet into the top of your berry stitch. One single crochet into the next single crochet. And repeat one single crochet in the top of each berry stitch and each single crochet from the previous row. Now we've set up another row of single crochet to work our berry stitch row into. I hope you enjoyed this unique, beautifully textured stitch, and I hope it inspires your next project.
Happy crafting!